for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here. And as you guys can see, we have wicked up to the 78.6% fib, but bulls are failing to close above it on the 4-hour time frame. What we also see here on the 3-minute time frame is Wyckoff distribution, very similar to that of XRP and what the rest of the altcoins are doing on the small time frame. And I think it's crucial that if you want to know what the composite operator is up to, you need to look at the small time frame, but you need to know what to look for. We see distribution over here, and the price is trading below the bottom end of the range, but we also see a bearish head and shoulders pattern right over here, and the price is trading below the bottom of the neckline. When we jump back up to the 4-hour time frame, we not only hit the 78.6% fib when we use the regular fib over here, but when we measure the fifth wave, we do see that it has come up to the golden pocket right over here. So this over here would be considered your first wave for your leading diagonal, your second wave, your third, fourth, and then you have a quick fifth right over here. And if we go ahead and take a look at the RSI, we do see triple negative divergence. So this over here on the 15-minute time frame is your triple negative divergence. See, we have 3 highs over here, so 3 drives to a high pattern. Or you can even consider this an ending diagonal. And then we have triple negative divergence to give us more confluence on that. So it wouldn't surprise me, we see a little bit of a throwback here, and depending on your trading strategy, you wouldn't want to take any shorts in the market or enter into any new positions unless you see a break of the trend over here. So you could place your trend like this on the chart, and then until you see the break, you can take that short. This over here would be considered your Fibonacci supports. So remember, the ETF news is on Tuesday, or the ETF event. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a dump into the event and then a pump out of it. Okay, so these would be all of the fibs over here, and then the 50% would be considered our EQ, or in other words, our equilibrium. Okay, so this is our EQ, and then anything below the EQ is a discount. I hope you guys enjoyed the Bitcoin video. What we have over here on the high time frame is nothing to worry about. We do still see Wyckoff reaccumulation. So there's 6 schematics in total. There's 2 in accumulation, 2 in distribution, and 2 in reaccumulation. And you can have reaccumulation many times throughout an uptrend. We've been in this reaccumulation schematic for about a quarter of the year now. So this is about 120 days or 127 days. This over here would be considered your preliminary supply. Then you have your buying climax, your automatic rally, secondary test, your move down to extremes towards the 38.2% fib measured from your last swing low. Okay, so if we take a fib from this low over here up to this high, we do see that we did come down to the 38.2% fib for your move to extremes. Then we come up for your up thrust in phase B before going into your creek. So you see how we're creaking down very slowly, right? And then all of a sudden you have a move below the bottom end of your creek for your spring towards the 50% fib. So if we go ahead and extend these fibs over here, you can see that we did come down to the 50% right over here. Okay, so this was our spring, and then if we go on the 30-minute time frame, this over here was considered your test towards the 78.6% fib. Okay, so after your spring, you're going to have a test likely towards the 70.2 to 88.6% fib before continuing your trend to the upside. Okay, now this over here, so as long as price trades under 67,000, let me see over here. So as long as price trades under 67,562, we must assume that this is the top over here, and that we're going to this is the top for our wave 1 of 5 before we have a wave 2 of 5 at any of these fibs below. Because remember, we are missing a 5th wave to the upside. Okay, if you haven't seen my last Bitcoin video, please go ahead and take a look at that. What we have over here is our wave 1, 2, 3, 4, but we're missing a 5th wave up. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to stay updated, then click the link in the description below to join the Discord. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.